Hi everybody, Y here with the Burgs Run, and today I want to share with you a box opening. I got some really cool mail yesterday and I thought that I would share it with you. First was I ordered from Diamondart Club and I got this nifty voucher for $25 off any order of $75 or more. How about that? Thanks, Diamondart Club. Then I got this cool package from Merrymaking and More. On the back of it, it says, "You've got Merry Mail." Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So here's what's in said envelope. First is a couple of cover minders that I thought were really cute, and I just wanted to see them. I don't really use cover minders, but the first one is Keep On Sparkling, and it's a good size. What I like about it is it's flat. Well, flat except for the magnets on the back. What a cover minder is when you are working on a diamond painting, you know, the plastic cover that's on top of it, you can fold it over and you can place this on top and this movable one on the bottom of your canvas, and clip them together and it will hold your cover in place. So I got that one, Keep On Sparkling, and then I got this one. Oh my gosh, Hobby Lobby, the happiest place on earth. Yeah, I don't think I've ever gone in there and not walked out with more than what I went in there for. Then she sent, of course, there's a card in here with all of her socials. Really cute card. And then she sent this little bag with a couple of pieces of candy, a watermelon sticker, a pink cowboy hat sticker, and a paw print. How perfect was the paw print for me? Then I ordered a sample of one of her scented putties. I ordered grapefruit lemongrass. I'm not a big scent type person, so I wanted to wait to open this until I was opening it on camera because I really hope that this is not too strong. So this is what it looks like. It's just a rainbow looking putty inside of some release paper. Okay, that is so lightly scented. I absolutely adore that. So I'm going to try putty today while I'm diamond painting. I'm just eating through the wax, so I decided to try that. What is there anything else in here? No, just my invoice with thank you. I hope you love your order. Okay, there was that. Then I ordered this diamond painting logbook from Amazon for $6.99. Everybody talks about them. I have done a dozen or so paintings, but only one. I've only finished one premium canvas, and I did do a video on it, so I do know the start and end dates. And I did keep the stickers and stuff, so I can put that one right here on page, or on the first page, the first actual log page. So what you can do is you could log all your paintings that you own in here, and you can list them here, so it tells you where it is in the book. I'm going to wait and just put them in there as I do them, but only premium paintings. So I did get that, $6.99 at Amazon. And then I got one other super cool thing. I watched another YouTuber. I don't remember who it was, so unfortunately I can't tag her. But I got this diamond painting. It's a new to me diamond painting. Let me see. I don't want to mess up the name of the company. So let me open up my email really quickly. Here. It's Yu Jongs. It's YU capital LEE Jongs. JONGES. It comes in a nice holographic box. Oh, it looks like the circles are moving. Oh my gosh, that is super cool. I have not opened it yet, so give me a minute to tear into this box. It has plastic over it. It came just with shipping plastic over top of this box, so I was a little worried about it, but once I got the shipping plastic off, it was fine. So this package came from China. Well, most diamond paintings do come from China, but when I saw the YouTuber open this one, I was very excited. So open from this company, I was very excited. So I decided I would try a diamond painting from the same company. Wow, it is really in there. All right, here we go. All right, so it does not have a dust cover. It is just a canvas in the bag, or in the box. And then I'm going to roll this back. Oh, it's soft. Soft, soft, soft. So nowhere on that box does it mention the name of the company, which is, I find a little odd. But it does on the canvas. All right, it is Yu Zhong's, and this one is called Oceanic Friend. It is a sea turtle. Let me see if I can show you the end of the box because it's really, really pretty. Can you see that? How awesome is that? So the picture is on the end of the box. That's always helpful. So let's see what we got with this. We just got your standard toolkit, a white tray or boat, a blue pen, and some wax. Nothing extra. But look what came with this. It's an orange pen. It's got flowers or paper. It's got confetti inside. And it has the 4-placer, the 7-placer, and a 2-placer, I think. And of course the single placer. So you get a pen with this one. It did not indicate on the order that I was going to get a pen. And then these are the colors. They're all individually bagged in zippy bags. So if that's how you kit up, it is already kitted up for you. I'm not going to open them because they would just fall all over the place. But they are some really pretty colors. Look at that. Oh, is that an AB? It is. It doesn't say AB on. Oh, it does. There's two ABs. One is orange and one is a dark brown. So it would be right underneath it. Wow. Okay, I'm super excited about this now. So diamonds and X's. So there's going to be an AB around here, like around the outside of his shell, and triangle, and up here in his shell. So the ABs are actually in his shell, and that's what makes him glow like on the package. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. So yeah, Diamond Art Club. It was Happy Mail again today. Diamond Art Club. Merry Mail, which was cover minders. Cover minders. Diamond Art Club. And this turtle that came with a pen. How cool is that? Well, that's all I have for you today. Maybe I will put the progress video on the back of this one for you. Hi everybody, Y here with the Bergs Run. It is Friday evening, and oh my gosh, look at how much I've gotten done from this painting. I am starting on this bottom section here. I am just amazed at the progress that I've been able to make. This is the canvas is gorgeous, but it is a little confetti heavy. Actually, it's a lot confetti heavy. In fact, it's mostly confetti. So it is just change your drill, change your drills over and over and over. Good morning, everybody. Y here with the Bergs Run. It is Saturday morning. It is 5:30 a.m. and I could not sleep. So I decided to grab some coffee in my, let's see if you can see that, in my Run Disney cup, and come down and do some diamond painting. Last night I was able to get this section done. So now I have just 2 sections left at the top. But I'm going to wait to do that. I'll go all the way across, all the way across at 4 sections, and then I will flip it over and do the last sections, the last 2 of cross upside down. So yeah, so far this is all of the trash drills that I have had. Not too many. I've gone through a lot of wax. These drills are taking up a lot of wax. And it's very confetti heavy. But look at this, you guys. It's absolutely stunning. The colors in here. Oh my goodness. I'm just starting on this dog here. I will get him finished in this one and this one. But I hope to finish these 3 today. I don't have anything planned on my agenda. So it looks like that I will have a great day of diamond painting. So thank you all for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're not subscribed, I hope you like what you see and you'll come back for more content, not just diamond painting. We are the shenanigans of empty nesters. Oh, that was the one thing. And the book. Yes. But I hope you do all the things. Like, comment, share out the channel. Let's grow this community together. Have a fab day.